Mopar here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1965 Dodge Coronet 440 two-door hardtop. Underneath the hood, 383 cubic inch V8. Yes, that's right, 383 underneath the hood, because remember, Coronet 440 was actually the model. So engine is the 383 cubic inch V8 that has had a recent tune-up. Transmission, automatic, 727 automatic. That was rebuilt approximately 300 miles ago, power steering car. Take a look at the chrome on the bumper, grille, headlight bezels. All right, still pictures. You want to be able to look at the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk, car from every angle. Those still pictures, they can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on weld polish wheels, BF Goodrich radials. Tires starting to show their age some. Technician did note the rear ones starting to dry crack a little bit, so tires do show their age some. As far as paint, there's a touch-up here, there, maybe an imperfection. But overall, you have a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Just take it out and drive it. Let's take a look down this passenger side. Also note that the windows are tinted, so you'll want to know your local and state laws as far as the percentage of window tint that you can have. So I'll give you the heads up on that. And you can see there's no major nick, stings, or scratches down that passenger side. We'll take a look underneath the hood after we start it up, let you hear it run. You're going to see that it does have an Edelbrock 4-barrel on it, electronic ignition. Original California car. You can see the dual exhaust coming out the rear. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. Stick around to the very end of the video and Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. A few notes from the technician on this one. Front disc brakes, rear drums. 80% in the front, 75% in the rear. Heater does work. 1 fan speed. Newer QA1 and other suspension components on this car. Gas gauge and wipers in-op. A few minor powertrain seeps, typical of a car that's driven, nothing crazy. And I mentioned a little issue with the front running light. No biggie there either. If you like Mopars, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online right up our showroom floor. Again, driver's side kind of the same. A few little touch-up spots or an imperfection here or there. Not going to stop you from enjoying this car and driving and have some fun. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. So kind of a light blue. Give a good look at the door panel. Seat belts up front. Have a fabric vinyl almost combination. Interesting interior, pretty stock looking dash. Stock radio does work. Little aftermarket gauge cluster underneath the dash too. I think we need to fire this up. First, let's take a look at that headliner quick. Looks good. All right, oil pressure gauge, working amp meter, and temp gauge. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that to be up.
Same parents, but he chose to play for his parents' country. Well, born in France. So
again, AM stock radio working, top of the dash. Sounding good. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Door closes nicely. Little rumble coming out of that 383, nothing crazier over the top as far as loud exhaust goes. All right, let me pause this a second, take a look underneath the hood, and then like I said, Jason will take it for a drive, take it for a virtual ride, if you will. There's a good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. So aluminum radiator, polished intake manifold. Again, Edelbrock floor barrel. Looks like a newer master cylinder also. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. Power steering car. MSD ignition. Headers. Looking good, sounding good. '65 Dodge Coronet 440, two-door hardtop. All the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Oh, that is fantastic.
Jesus.
Running on empty? Fuel up with us, George and Jeremy on Motorhood.
Jesus.
Tune in on YouTube where we dive into cars,
Who cares if it's hard on gas?
our showroom,
One of 114.
and beyond. New episodes every week, only on Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1965 Dodge Coronet in white. Got kind of a turquoise interior, definitely thrown back to 1965. An easy to drive, smooth starting, smooth running car. It idled right away, as it should, very smoothly. Speedometer working on the factory gauges. They do not appear to be working. However, the alternator is right in the middle, which matches the aftermarket auto gauge from down below, right in the middle of the gauge. Oil pressure between 40 and 50. Water temperature 160 and still rising. Brakes nice and smooth. Bench seat, front and rear in this car. Comfortable, nice condition interior. Excellent power steering, easy to steer, luxurious in the corners. The kickdown works on the automatic transmission. The blower motor also works, as does the radio.
We became pretty good friends over this.
AM radio picking up stations. You don't see that many of these. This one is a good example of a nice runner ready to take a road trip. 1965 Coronet. Find all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.